Bafike ngezulu abono Christmas nabo so Christmas embhedlela ezahlukahlene zenarha le ngelanga lika Christmas.
Well, I'm completely alone. Because my husband died, I'm now on the street.
Abantu abahlala endleleni bamudle njengomuntu wonke uChristmas ngesizo lenhlangano ezijameleko ezisiza abahlokileko.
I don't think there's any extra pressure on the players or any pressure that we put on ourselves to I don't know, get a lot more eyes on the test on test cricket.
Kezemidlalo siphethe zithi Proteas ibhinqele umdlalo we-test ne-India. Kulilanga elihle lika Christmas onezulu kuyalotshisa emakhaya lapho niphumule khona kamnandi. Ngiphethe indaba zesiNdebele. Igama lami nginguCedric wakamwebya. Lotshani emakhaya. Babelethiwe namhlanje endaweni ngendawo abantwana baka Christmas. Imbhedlela eziningi zethule imbalo zazo zamasana abelethelwe embhedlela ezahlukahlukeneko.
eGauteng kubeletha amasana alikhulu amachuma athoba konane 194 sika wonke esifundeni esingelanga la namhlanje. Esibhedlela sesibukeki kubeletha abesana ababili nomntazinyana munye ngoChristmas nje. Osomkhandlu wezempilo uNomantonkomo Ralihuko uvakatshele ikumba yokubelethisa esibhedlela aphethe izipho zabantwana. UNkomo Ralihuko uthokozile ukubona ababelethi bamunyisa abantwana. Ilanga lakhe uliqeda sesibhedlela sizaboma abatsha ngamasana abo. Abomma bebathabile balele nabantwana bawo esibhedlela babaqala bangaqedi. Abanye babo bebebeletha kokuthoma bathi kusibusiso esikhulu kibo ukubeletha ngoChristmas. Omunye uma uthe uyathokoza ngesizwe alifumana imani esine esibhedlela. Kusesenjalo usomkhandlu uveze nokuthi umnyango lo ujamise emsebenzini amanesi amathathu esibhedlela iThele Mogorane Regional Hospital eFosloras ngenyanga epheleleko ngokubhalelwa kutsheja umntwana obekasesibhedlela ngendlela efaneleko. Uthi lokhu imizamo yabo yokuqeda izenzo zokuphathwa kumbi kwengula embhedlela zikahulumende.
eLimpopo babelethiwe nakhona abantwana bakaChristmas. Ngosomkhandlu wezempilo eLimpopo uDr. Popi Ramathupa uvakatshela isibhedlela seMakweni ngaphandle kwepulukwane ukuyokuhlola ababelethi babantwana abasanda ukubelethwa.
I cannot say to the 15-year-old, close your legs and open your books. A 15-year-old did not even know what was happening. It's pure statutory rape. Now, there you need to get the law enforcement agents. Our major frustration as health workers is that when we open the case, the parents come and say no, the guy has paid damage. And when I ask, how do you pay damage? God created this girl with intact perineum, and somebody comes and violated, and you think money can buy. Until such time, we get people successfully prosecuted, and justice system make sure that somebody spend their long or their entire life in jail for statutory rape, for impregnating a 15-year-old.
Kanti ababelethi babantwana babelethwe namhlanje bazwakalisa ukuthaba.
Oh, I'm so happy that I've delivered a baby on the 25th on Christmas, and I'm very happy for the presents that the MEC has given us. It really, I don't know how to express the feeling that I'm feeling right now, but I'm very, very excited.
Sebaboke balichumi nabunane abantwana bebesana ababelethe ngelanga lika Christmas eLimpopo. Kuthi babendazana babe machuma amahlanu. Ngomnyaka opheleleko babe machuma amahlanu abantwana ababelethwa ngelanga lika Christmas eLimpopo. Kanti abalichumi nahlanu babo kube bentwana ababelethwe babalethi abasesibancane. Echingalanga Kapa esibhedlela seMosel Bay esiphandeni seGarden Road begidingwa nakhona. Kubeletha amasana amane, abantazinyana abathathu nomsana. Abantwana ababili babelethwe ebusuku kanti omunye ubelethwe emini. Isibalo sabantwana sebaboka ababelethe eChingalanga Kapa sizokukhutshwa kusasa.
Esifundeni seMpumalanga usomkhandlu wezempilo saseKanimanzini ukhuthaza ababelethi ukuthi baba semtholapilo abantwana ababelethiweko. Ubekhuluma Middelburg lapho bekahlangene nabomma abatsha. Isifunda seMpumalanga sibe nabantwana abama-30 ababelethwe ngoChristmas. Iindaba wethu uNhlanhla Jele noSekhmeri ulungile Ngcongwane bebalapho basihlanganiselana kumbiko.
Isibhedlela seMiddelburg samukele amasana amathathu. Abanye abomma ebebasalinde ukubhebhula nabo basele balinde ukuphatha wabo nabo amasana. Abanye babo bayathoma ukubeletha ekubalwa hlangana nabo nabendazana abasebancane ngokweminyaka yobudala. Abomma ababelethileko bathabile babe batsho nokuthi bazokukhulisa kuhle abantwana babo.
Khulu ukuthokoza into asikhuthaze ngazo ngobuthize nabantu nabo kose sibase esikolweni boyokufunda ufuthi into eqhakatheke khulu leyo begodwa wasikhuthaza nokuthi kose sibase emakliniki nekose bakwenza ama-check up silandele imigomo yakhona.
Ngijabulile ukuthi umntwana wami right siphatheke kahle kakhulu uhealthy yonke into ihambe kahle.
Usomkhandlu wezempilo eMpumalanga uSasekani Manzini ukhuthaze abomma ababelethileko ukuthi bakhuthalele ukusa abantwana babo emitholapilo ngaso sonke isikhathi bona bayokuhlolwa. Uthi lokhu kubasiza kakhulu empilweni yabantwana.
Akekho make lo talwa la lo nemntwana la lofike washona. Lokho kwentiwa yini in the sub district estifchwede also wonke emakliniki yakhona ideal. Lokusho kona ukuthi bayawenda umsebenzi wawo abantu bomake maba pregnant baya emakliniki.
Abomma bakhuthazwe bona basebenzise isizo lomnyango wezangikhaya elisembedlela ukwenzela abantwana babo intifiketi zamabeletho. NgingoNhlanhla Jele weindaba ze-SABC eMiddelburg eMpumalanga.
Nakusenjalo usomkhandlu wezemali ukuthuthukiswa komnotho nezivakashi obukela eMpumalanga unompumelelo Hlophe uvakashile isibhedlela sakwaMhlanga eMpumalanga kuyokwamukela abantwana ababelethwe ngoChristmas nokuthokozisa abomanina. Isibhedlela sakwaMhlanga sibusiswe ngomntwana munye kaChristmas. Usomkhandlu Hlophe ufike ngokuthandazela abomanina labantwana. uHlophe uthokoze namanesi wesibhedlela ngomsebenzi omuhle wenzako.
Namhlanje kithi umawuzane lifana noma uMare kade alindile bekafika ilanga la namhlanje samthokozisa kakhulu simbuso weMpumalanga.
Umphathi wesibhedlela uJayeli Ngconco uthi esikhathini esiningi akathokozwa ekubeni ngiwo enza umsebenzi omkhulu.
What happened kumama lo arikliseditseng ke tla re ke Jesu o tlile ele motho eleng gore a re ke tlo check a sa tshwara anything ha fitla mo bosista ba re no wena o tsamaye re tlo bona gore progressa yang leba ya gago and indeed ateta.
Uma ubusiswe ngomntwana uzanele Mtshali uthi kusibusiso esikhulu kuye lesinanyana kube likhambe ebelinobudisi nje. Umtshali uthokoziswe ngenisetshenziswa ezifaka hlangana uvasi wokuhlambisa umntwana nama-wipes. Nakusenjalo umtholapilo weKwaGafontein ubusiswe ngomntwana munye. Emahlelweni wesibhedlela lesi aboma bamunyisa abantwana bakhuthazwe bona bamunyisa abantwana ibisilebele ngombana kungilo elinepilo khulu. NginguNontokozo Sikhosana weindaba ze-SABC ngibeka ngisesibhedlela sakwaMhlanga eMpumalanga.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Usekela mengameli weSouth Africa uPaul Mashatile kunye nabaholi benhlangano zepolitiki bafisela amaSouth Africa uChristmas omuhle.
Since Christmas is a time for giving, we must renew our commitment to each other as families and friends. We must remind each other about the values of Ubuntu and that umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu. This is a time for us to show love and care for each other. May the shared joy we experienced during the Rugby World Cup 2023, one of the proudest moments of this year, be reignited throughout this festive season.
On behalf of the Democratic Alliance, I want to wish all South Africans who observe the Christian faith a very Merry Christmas. As family, friends, and loved ones gather today to share in the love and peaceful celebration of the holiday, may we also take the time to reflect upon and appreciate this period of selflessness and kindness to our fellow man. May this Christmas remind us of the many, many blessings in our lives that we often take for granted. The love of our families and children, the food on our tables, and the safety of a roof over our heads.
As we approach the upcoming elections in 2024, let us also cultivate a spirit of patriotism. Our nation's strength lies in the unity of its people. I call upon each citizen to engage in the democratic process with a sense of duty and love for our great nation. Participate in discussions and be informed about the candidates and their policies and make choices that will lead us toward a brighter future.
Umnyango wezempilo eGauteng ukhandele ikampani esabalalisa igezi iCity Power ekutheni ingacimela impedlela eziqathekileyo kwigezi esifundeni si.
We had queries about the billing. All other hospitals, we don't have any problem. It was those three that they were threatening to switch us off. But we have settled that dispute that we had with them, because for us it was just tell us how much are we owing you and why this amount has been ballooned. So it was just mere administration that they should have done with their teams. Then they ran to the newspapers as if we don't want to pay them. We can't be responsible and not pay them because we still need their services. But I think they must not take advantage of the Department of Health, because we are known previously for not paying service providers. We do pay now. We do look into our books and we do check what is it that you say we owe you. That was the dispute that we had with them.
Nasibuya entolo.
Wena kuza, wena kunga. Spirit of umuntu.
Balula isandla khudlwana abantu bakwaZulu Natal baphosela ithungeni lika Iindaba asiza ngalo isitshaba esihlokako. Ubukele indaba zesiNdebele ku SABC 1 na ku SABC Plus. Indaba ezi ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku Facebook. Asifake nazo. Kanti njengoba nabantu abaningi badla uChristmas kamnandi nangokuhlanganyela nemndeni nabangani, kodwa nabantu abahlala endleleni ilanga lika Christmas lifana namanye. Kwanomnyaka nje khona kube ngcono ngombana inhlangano ezisizako zisikimele phezulu zayokusiza endaweni eziningi. Nazenza njalo bezenzela ukuthi nabo abantu abahlala endleleni bafane nomuntu wonke ngoChristmas lo badle ingkhanakhana.
Kabanye kumnandi bagidinga amaholiday okuphela komnyaka emakhaya wabafuthumeleko nendaweni zamaholiday ezibukhazikhazi. Abantu abahlala endleleni akhange nokho kube njengemhleni kibo. Kwanamhlanje nabo bambonile uChristmas.
Very depressed.
Why?
Well, I'm completely alone. Because my husband died, I'm now on the street.
Kanti ekabeni yemahikeng ehlagwini Jingalanga, abantu abanganamakhaya bathi bangakuthatha njengesipho esikhulu sikaChristmas ukusizwa ngurhulumende bona balumule intakamizwa. Omunye wabo nguHenry Zondo osekaneminyaka pheze ema-20 ahlala entradeni. Uthi uChristmas umdlele esondweni.
Ke startile go tsama trobo ke na le 17 years. Ke tsena sekolo mo St Mary's. Ke tshabetse sekolo mo tropo.
Kanti ePumalanga Kapa kumasipalata weBuffalo City nakhona ihlangano engasebenzeli inzuzo inikele ngezipho zikaChristmas nokudla ebantwaneni abanganamakhaya nalabo abavela emindenini enganalitho.
Imphakathi yakaZulu Natal ilula isandla khudlwana ukuphosela ethungeni eligega nomhathi weKhosi FM uIindaba. Konke lokho ukwenza ngaphasi kwehlangano yakhe iIndaba Foundation. Ijimeli ngelokukhuthaza abantu bona banikele nge-R10 ekusizeni labo abahlogileko. Ijimeli lisize umntwana okhubazekileko emtubatuba kwasizakala nomndeni othileko owawunomraro wokubuyisa isidumbu somntwana wakhona owabhubhela eSwazini.
Wena kuza, wena kunga. Spirit of umuntu.
Ibhakede lenza umahluko empilweni zabantu.
U-Anda Msweli uqhuqhuzela abantu ukuba baphose esivivaneni nge-10 nje lamarandi. Lo mkhankaso wakhe usudlondlobale ngendlela ukuthi usekwaze ukusiza ngokwakha izindlu nongenelela emphakathini igamekweni zokuhlukunyezwa ngokobulili okwaba ukuqala ukusiza abampofu abayizisulu zodlame olubhekiswe kwabesifazane nezingane.
Ngoba saqala le ndaba yeconsi laqala lapha kudadewethu lo okhubazekile okwamhlaba yalingana ohamba ngamadolo sambone ethwele isigubhu la eqolo ade yokhamanzi.
Umsweli uthi nakuba iningi labantu limamukela kepha abanye baye bashaya amakhala ngenxa yamaqola. Kwezinye izikhathi uyithole exoshwa eqhuba lo mkhankaso ikakhulukazi kwinxanxathela yezitolo, kepha uthi lokho ngeke umthene amandla.
Bese kuthi M&E monitoring and evaluation sebenzisa i-social media ukuthi yonke into uzoyibona la. Ithi inhloso yebhakede ilona lizosikhombisa ukuthi ubuntu buyavuseleleka yini kubantu, ubona ngendlela abenza ngayo abafloka ngayo beya kulona.
Njengamanje lenhlangano kaMsweli iphezulu kwamalungiselelo okwakha ezinye izindlu ezimbili eVryheid enyakatho neKwaZulu Natal naseBizana e-Eastern Cape. Iphinde ibe semzamweni okuhlinzeka ngosizo kubagilwa bodlame eTsakane eGauteng kanjalo nakwamsane ogwini olusenyakatho neKwaZulu Natal. Eindabeni ze-SABC nginguvusi Khumalo eThekwini.
Isekela likaNgqongqoshe wazangikhaya uNjabulo Nzunza ukhuthaze ukuthi abantwana abahloliselwe kungakapheli amalanga basasanda ukubelethwa. Njeke akhe silalamele umbikindaba wethu uMlondi Radebe.
Sibonga kakhulu sesibhedlela lapha eQueen Nandi Regional Hospital eMpangeni la kuvakashela khona umnyango wezasekhaya ukuzoregister noma ukuzobhalisa izingane ezizalwe ngosuku lukaKhisimusi ukuzama ukunxenxa abazali ukuthi baregister izingane ngaphambi kokuthi zize ziphume esibhedlela. Kanti eduzane kwami kunosekela lika Ngqongqoshe womnyango. Babunzuza kafushane nje mawasusichazele ngohlelo lolweni liqalayo.
Uhlelo lolwesilwenzayo olokuthi siqoquzele omama ukuthi baregister abantwana babo kungakapheli insuku ezingama-30. Lokho sikwenzela ukuthi abantwana bangene kuloko esikubiza nge-National Population Register okuyi-database okanye uhlelo lwabantu bonke abala eSouth Africa. Ilokho kokukunikeza ukuthi ube nobuzwe base-South Africa ngoba uma ungenayo i-ID number okanye inamba kamazisi ufana umuntu oyispoki ongekho onga-exist okusho ukuthi even ukuthola ibonelelo likahulumeni awukwazi ukuyithola. Uma sekumele ungene uye esikoleni uba ney'nkinga ngoba ufika khona unjengespoki. Even usumdala sekumele ushaye i-ID kuqalwa ngokuthi kuthiwe ithini inamba yakho. So yingakho-ke thina asivule amahhovisi akwa-Home Affairs siwavule kuphi ey'bhedlela la esifica khona umama esasenomntwana ngoba la eSouth Africa ubuzwe awubutholi ngokuthi uzalelwe eSouth Africa kodwa ubuthola ngekwegazi ukuthi umzali wakho owase South Africa. So indawo la ukuthi sifice khona umzali esigarantid ukuthi sofica umzali sifice nomntwana isesibhedlela ngenkathi kwenzakalani umntwana etedwa. Yingakho-ke sithi-ke abantu kabaregister ey'bhedlela ngoba ama-ofisi aka-Home Affairs akhona.
Asibuyisele izitambo ngakweni studio.
Kezemidlalo iProteas yokubambana neIndia emidlalweni we-test eSuperSport Park eCenturion kusasa. Ukapteni weProteas uThemba bavuma uthi unethemba lokuthi bazozivikela isithunzi sabo kilomdlalo.
uThemba bavuma uthi nanyana iIndia izinkutani nje kodwa nabahlali bayidosisa emhlweni qobe ezidlalele ekhethu apha.
I don't think there's any extra pressure on the players or any pressure that we put on ourselves to I don't know, get a lot more eyes on the test on test cricket. I think for ours, like you said, is to play an attractive, winning brand of cricket, and that's what we're gonna strive to do.
Ngokomlando weProteas neIndia nazihlangana zombili emidlalweni ye-test. iProteas ayikabe ukuloba nayinye i-test. Kanti eheleni lama-test, iIndia ewadlalele eSouth Africa apha ithumbe amane kwaphela. uBavuma obekangadlali muva nje ngemva kwebhigiri yephasi uthi kulungele ukudlala kusasa.
I've enjoyed the time being at home, spending with the wife, spending with the little one. That's what I've enjoyed a lot. Missed the cricket, watching the guys within watching the guys in the T20 as well as the ODI side. I mean, the break, I'll take it. I mean, we don't really get breaks this long.
Lo mdlalo we-test yakusasa uyokuthoma nge-hour le-10 ekuseni.
Siphelela laphaza namhlanje. Nimqadelele kamnandi uChristmas begodwa niphephe. Zikhona ngelimi leSwati kusasa. Nisale kuhle.